Hello, I'm here again with Steve Boettcher from IDI, explaining the renovations of the middle school, high school.
Thank you, PJ. Real quickly, in this video, we want to concentrate on security and classroom improvements. The security of this school is very important. Currently, you can get into this building in many different ways. The office can buzz people in from the very east side between the cafeteria and the gym. We want to take and focus all visitors during school hours through a secure entrance vestibule where they can come into the vestibule and the office is locked, and then they get buzzed into the reception waiting area, at which point they get screened and checked to see who they're going to be meeting with, and then from there get buzzed into the school. This is real important and a real common way that schools are handling visitors nowadays to create security within the school system. Also within the office areas, utilizing the existing space to create some small counseling and mental health professional offices. Currently, they take up classrooms within the district. There's not enough small spaces for it. And we want to create those spaces within the office that can be utilized for those professionals so we can take advantage of these classrooms. Then we get into the academic wing renovations. And it really becomes renovating the life skills, physics, biology, chemistry rooms. Those are pretty much original. Cabinetry, countertop surfaces, the plumbing, the mechanical is terrible. Those things all get replaced and renovated within this particular bond issue. As well as where the CT currently is, that area is taking up 2 large classrooms. We're going to be dividing that and creating 4 classrooms. And just renovating the ceilings, flooring surfaces, and other cosmetic things to those classrooms just to enhance the environment that has been there for literally 60 to 70 years.
Thank you, Steve.